Meaning of gadget.
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 Gadget. The term gadget refers to a small, innovative, and often portable electronic device that serves a specific purpose. Gadgets are typically designed to make daily tasks more convenient or enjoyable. They can range from simple devices like calculators and digital watches, to more complex gadgets such as smartphones and tablets. Gadgets may have multiple functions, including communication, entertainment, productivity, or health tracking. With advances in technology, gadgets have become part of our daily lives, often enhancing our experiences and making tasks easier to accomplish.